For ceramic tiles, use a polymer-modified thinset designed for porcelain and ceramic, and for marble or glass, choose an epoxy or a white polymer-modified thinset formulated for non-absorbent or translucent materials. For a laundry room floor with moderate moisture and regular foot traffic, start by testing the subfloor for flatness and moisture using a straight edge and a moisture meter. Repair dips with a cementitious patch, and mitigate high moisture with a vapor control primer or membrane. For ceramic, lay a polymer-modified thinset rated for interior floors and follow manufacturer water to powder ratios precisely. Mix to a peanut butter consistency and use a notch trowel size to the tile back so you get full bedding coverage and no voids. For marble and glass, choose either a 2-part epoxy mortar or a white polymer-modified thinset formulated for non-absorbent tiles, so you avoid staining and show-through. Epoxy offers superior bond and water resistance, but requires full cure times and solvent safety precautions. Always perform a dry layout and back butter, large format, or heavy pieces to ensure full contact and to prevent lippage. Press each tile with a slight twisting motion and beat in with a rubber mallet and spacer system to maintain joint consistency. Allow the manufacturer recommended cure time before grouting, typically 24 to 72 hours for thinset and longer for epoxy, and use a grout compatible with the tile type, sealing natural stone grout and using a non-staining grout for glass. Clean excess mortar from faces immediately with a damp sponge and avoid acid cleaners on marble or any acidic stone. Common errors start with using the wrong mortar color or chemistry for translucent glass or light marble, which causes show-through or staining. Fix this by using a white or light-colored polymer-modified thinset or epoxy, and always test with a spare tile. Another frequent issue is inadequate coverage or voids under tiles that lead to cracking or hollow spots. The cure is to back butter larger tiles, use an appropriately sized notched trowel, and perform a few random lift checks during installation to confirm full bedding. A third problem is installing over a damp or unstable substrate, which compromises bond and can lead to debonding. Address this by measuring moisture, using a proper vapor control membrane when needed, and allowing substrates to dry or stabilize before mortaring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and helps contractors find new work through our project listings and community discussions. We host a discussion community where we share installation experiences, mortar recommendations, and local contractor referrals to help you make informed choices.